What is up, guys, and welcome back to another G35 video. Now in today's video we're going to be doing something I've been wanting to do for months and months and months on end for this car, and that is tackling on the roof. So for the people that are not aware, my G35 came with roof racks when I bought the car. They had to drill holes to hold the roof racks in place. So there's 2 holes right here and 2 holes right here and on the other side as well. What I had to do is remove the roof racks, put Bondo over it, and sand it down flat. As you can see, I used metal reinforced, and then I just ended up using regular Bondo, and then after that I used glaze and spot putty, and it is basically as flat as I could get it without trying to go extremely perfect. All the prep I've done to the G35 is to get it ready for a vinyl wrap. I'm gonna wrap the roof today, and I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna do it. I don't really know how to wrap a roof. It's my first time a roof wrapping a G35, so this could go completely wrong, or it can come out pretty good. So these are the tools that I bought for the job. These are just little trim tools that'll help to tuck in the wrap a little easier. This is a blade, and then just squeegee and just a couple extra stuff. I also have a heat gun. I bought this off of Harbor Freight. Nothing crazy, nothing special. So now the vinyl wrap is actually from Avery. It is a gloss black vinyl wrap, and we're gonna go ahead and install that today. So now the first thing we have to do to this roof is we have to go ahead and clean it, prep it, get it ready to get the vinyl wrap on the roof. Thomas is on a break already. We haven't started. Pepsi. That was a Sprite. What Thomas just did right now, he took off the weather stripping on both sides so that way we can clean this, and also we can tuck in the wrap right here. Alright guys, so everything is prepped now, so now all we need to do is lay the vinyl and start going ahead and squeegeeing out all the air bubbles.
Ah, fuck.
Alright, now give yourself some slack. Look where you're placing it from the front and the rear. Okay, so now when you're laying it, start pulling towards you. Start pulling diagonal and lay it like this. And then I start pulling as well. Alright guys, so this is the update. We have 2 little creases right here, and basically that's kind of it. It's all kind of laid out, so it's just kind of dialing in all the little imperfections, but other than that, it's basically done. Now all I need to do after that is trim all the pieces and just tuck it in and use the heat gun to make sure that they don't move anywhere, because I would hate for this wrap to just start lifting. So far, I'm impressed. I mean, Avery, I've heard really good stuff about, mainly just because it's easy to work with, so I didn't want to go with 3M, even though I know 3M does have a better gloss. If you guys can see, there's still like little places where it just doesn't look perfect, so I'm not crazy about that. I knew going into it that it wasn't going to be perfect, especially being done by me and not a professional shop. You haven't said anything, Thomas. Nice. We're basically done with the wrap, but the only thing, and this is because I'm a beginner and I don't know exactly how to cut, I'm kind of confused on the weather stripping right here, and I don't know if I should cut, you know, on the rubber itself, kind of so that way I can tuck it in. I don't know if it's like something that they do, or if they just kind of try to tuck it and then cut inside. So I'm not really sure on what to do. I'll probably just end up cutting it on the rubber and then tucking it in and then call it. But I mean, I'm sure there's other ways people do it to get it just inside, but that's just one of those things that, since it's the first time, I don't really know what to do. So now we're gonna go ahead and finish it all up, and I'll give you guys an update if we hit a roadblock or anything else. Alright guys, so it is complete now. It took a couple hours to get this all done, and now the final results. I kind of messed up. There's good news and bad news. It kind of messed up and took off part of the clear coat, so I'm gonna have to get that fixed. but the wrap came out pretty good for what it is, and let me show you guys. So the overall look of it is really nice. I love how the gloss looks on the roof. It looks really nice. I do have my front windshield tinted, so it does give a little better look to it, especially in the rear where it's 5%. This just looks uniform. It looks like a continuous thing. This is Bondo, and I think when I lift it up to try and get some creases out, this probably just took some Bondo out, but I'm okay with that. It's fine. Now for the tucking, all I did is used a little tool that they gave me in this kit that I bought, tucked it in and used a knife and just cut off the excess, and it's done. It's good. So it's looking good so far, right? And then I end up peeling off the wrap that's just resting on here, the excess wrap. And I don't know if you can tell on camera, but there is a little bit of clear coat that came off when I was peeling it off, which is annoying because I was trying to fix my paint and now I'm back to square one again. So I'm probably gonna have to send this to a shop and get this painted. Avery was really easy to work with. For a first timer, this came out amazing. And if you've been wanting to try it yourself, I recommend Avery over all the other brands just because obviously it's beginner friendly and very forgiving. And I didn't even need to use the heat gun at all, really. This is basically the finished product and I'm pretty happy on the results. Now the best advice I can give you guys, honestly, is take your time, make sure you're doing everything correctly. G35s are a little bit more difficult to do just because there's a sunroof. Make sure you take out any creases, you use the heat gun appropriately, and you don't burn the vinyl or you don't do anything dumb, and you'll be solid. Alright guys, that'll be all for this video. Give it a like if you guys enjoyed this video, subscribe if you're new around here, plenty of G35 content, and leave a comment if you guys have any questions on the wrap. But with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.